nung manage ko siya sa marketing ko, gusto na nilang maglabas in collaboration din with the Pares. So, magiging parang Pares naman siya, instant Pares. Tapos, meron siyang collagen. So, yes! Collagen pa. Nag-joke ako. Ito yun, meron kami. Ito yung actually artwork doon. Nagkano talaga sila, nag-drawing sila para may diwata. So, ayun. So, itong contract namin, ayan, this is for 12 months, 1-year contract. This is worth 1 million pesos.
Wow! Oh, grabe naman, di ba? Another 1-year contract.
Yes, ito siya. Ayan.
YOLO!
So, dalawa na i-encash mo bukas sa video.
So, ayan, tomorrow, ayan, mag-ano na kami lang for the payment. Thank you so much.
Wow! Ayan, congrats, Diwata. Congrats. At syempre, hindi lang yan. Meron kang...
Grabe, 2 million yun, guys. Wow, congrats.
Asan na yun? Sa live hall.
Right now, we're all witnessing the contract signing of Dear Face of Miss Juna and of course Diwata. So once more, so many things to watch out for, to expect. It's definitely such an exciting time for all of these companies, all of these brands to be collaborating. And of course, like what I said a while ago, you know, anything can happen in Wonderland. We've had so many performances. We've had great artists join us here on stage, lots of musical shows, games, prizes, and of course, our contract signing between these beautiful, talented brands. So thank you so much for everyone here for sitting through all the exciting times that we've had, all the
Sa 2 million na bibigay kay Diwata. Grabe, no? Congrats. Ano? Sana all.
Ayan, gusto ko lang po
soon mag-aaral ka niyan. Ako bibigyan kita.
Dahil na-invite niya ako dito sa napakagandang event at napakasosyal. First time ko rin po maka-attend sa ganitong klaseng event na mga big time po yung nandito at mga kilalang tao. At syempre, Madam Rosmar, maraming salamat sa iyo dahil napakalaking tulong po yung pinibigay mo sa akin. At maraming salamat po dahil dumating ka sa buhay ko at nabago po ang buhay ko dahil dito. Kaya pasalamat po ako sa iyo.
At hindi pa dyan nagtatapos, so may humabol kasi nung inabot ka sa'yo. So ayan na ang... Pasok mo ng Charles. Ayan guys, ang World of Beauty. Ano nasa na? Wait lang guys, medyo nagulo lang. Still lang. Ayan guys, ang World of... Ano ba sa Beauty? Aesthetic and Wellness Center and... Sinisa.
In 3, 2, ayun.
Wait lang, ano lang sila, nag-vlog.
Surprise, surprise.
Awesome. Alright, there's just a few technical difficulties at the moment, but of course, what Miss
Ayan guys, mali. Ayan guys, ang DMS Cosmetics Manufacturing Corporation, we're building it successful. Meron siyang binigay din na additional 100,000. Ayan, para yun sa'yo. Resell pa yung pera ng bulsa na dyan. And iabot na natin ang 100,000 para kay Diwata. Galing sa DMS. Ayan, thank you so much, Ma'am May. Ayan, thank you so much po.
Congrats, Diwata. Yeah, deserve mo yan. Alright.